Ibondioma, it's another beautiful episode of the Eastside Music Show. Afam Busomto, and I'm here again. One of my kaisi entertaining gists from across the Southeast and beautiful music from across the Southeast. Okay, before I do Achorom Kono Matana, the Eastside Music Battle, the artist battle that we've been holding for weeks now, I go to another round. The final round for the grand prize of 1 million naira. 10 artists, Artist Theory, from the last round have made it to this next round and they will be competing for 1 million naira. I'm Manuno with the artist battle all through, and now we've gotten to this next round and we still want you to be involved. Abunina watch video Akita. Go get your Kedu app, which is where you're going to be voting for the winner of the grand prize of 1 million naira. Kedu app is available on iOS and on the Android Play Store. Go get it. So on the show today, we are going to start with news coming from the Igbo cartel. Yes, Jerick is teasing a new album. Obiane teasing a new album, and on his Instagram page and Twitter page, Obiane Okusi, he's moving on from the $1 billion dreams era, and he's moving on to a new era. Of course, we don't know what that era is just yet, but we're suspecting that he's teasing an album. And he was in Onitsha the other day, of course, Eboto, and Obia, there was a crowd around him, Obia Neke Ego, and apparently on a shoot video for a new song about EJ and Woke. And we cannot wait for a new project from Jerick. Jerick is the shining light from the Southeast, one of our best exports just yet. Igbo cartel, doing it everywhere. So we're looking forward to this new album. Jerick, Jessica now. The Voice of the East. Yes, Voice of the East. That is the title of the new EP from the beautiful Ugochi. And it's been out for a couple of weeks and it has been banging. It's been so beautiful. Igbo Madina the EP Kalila Kale, especially the one with Oblibo. I love that song particularly. It's my favorite song from the EP. Ugochi represents in the Igbo Fuma. And the EP, the title of the EP is even a bigger representation. She's saying she's the voice of the East, from the East to the world. So go check it out. The Voice of the East EP by Ugochi Ugusara Sarawan Nanyuwai. Also, Chike was recognized by the Recording Academy, yes, the Grammy Recording Academy, for his song Egu, featuring the late Mohbad. And he had a very big, massive recognition, from the Grammy Academy, and this song, like I told you, the song has been featured here a couple of times, and I know Ego Abugodi a hit from everywhere, on our TikTok, on our everywhere, like everywhere around the world. A lot of people have joined the challenge. Mandocha, so it's not surprising that he has been recognized by the Grammy Recording Academy, and he also performed that song live at the Recording Academy show, and it was beautiful. It was really beautiful. So we're happy that Chike and wanted the recognition or deserve. He's been here for a long time, and that particular song has taken him to the very top. So we're looking forward to more from Chike because we know that he can deliver. Only for take. Okay, Countdown Irugo, and it's 5 beautiful songs from our playlist today. At number 1, I'm where Ikechukwu Kills with Breeze. So the OG Ikechukwu came back. Yeah, he's back with a new project titled OG Uncle Kills, and this project has very many beautiful songs, but this particular one has my attention. I've been banging it for days, and Diego Atoka, it's a new feel, it's a new vibe. Ikechukwu with Breeze.
In the breeze, in the breeze, and I can walk about and if I like I cannot talk to anybody. I say up in the streets, hop on in the streets, Late night street calling, late nights.
And And at number 2, in no particular order, I'm where Ugo Sara Sara. Yes, from my EP, The Voice of the East. This particular song, my favorite from the EP, it's Uwa with Umo Belibo. Umo Belibo be with, that special thing that they have that they put in every song, and they made this song a banger. It's one of my, it's actually a very beautiful collaboration. One of those collaborations I ain't on air since. So Ugochi with Umo Belibo on this one with Uwa.
Hi, Imarama. Uwage kuoku, ijaronja hello wage kuoku, imarama whether you find or no find, eze mugamaka, ubana mugamaka.
At number 3, we have Rati with Balotelli. Now, this song has a lot of energy, and I'm very sure it just came out a couple of weeks ago, man. I'm very sure that by now it's banging everywhere. Balotelli, it's high tempo song, and of course we know Rati, he has always had this top energy, and of course he announced that his album is coming up very soon, and I'm sure this song is from the album Rati with Balotelli.
Intellectual property.
Yeah, wow nigga, hustler. I'm tired of saying change to a customer. I'm buffing on my lows, I'm on my nose, so I up all night like a motherfucking blood sucker.
Why I draw over to don't watch you on it up. That's the reason I don't talk to her. Wap on my mind, that's the reason I don't talk a lot. I'm on my bag, man. Fuck what the fuck niggas talking about.
Yeah, Balotelli. I'm enough for me, man. I'll go get from the beginning.
And number 4, in no particular order, I'm wearing Stage. Yes, or Stage in Eku. And this song is, everywhere. It's actually the song that I, heard, the first ever Stage song that I heard. And Igbo the everywhere, a certain vibe on the song, And this song is titled Paid. Real drill music, manima, with an Igbo twist to it, and it's so beautiful. Stage on this one with Paid.
These villains claim to be the hero. I was down below Karodi. I don't cap a lot, Capolo. I just got paid. Yeah, you can love me or hate me, I'm getting paid. I came out clean, I told my ops we're not the same.
Number 5 on this list, last but not the least, is Chide with Ifenkili. Now, Egwabo, it's a new song. It just came out a couple of days ago, but then I've been banging it, and Chide is doing so well. He's trying. He's putting in so much effort, and he's one of those guys from around the Southeast that we're rooting for, and we're looking forward to seeing him shine. Chide with Ifenkili.
My baby in my car, I need something. In a lecture, can you cheat your sorrow? My baby in my car, I need something. In a lecture.
So before I an apple on the entertainment show, I felt this urge to remember somebody today, and of course, all one of us, all one of our own. One now you okay, but Dilichuku Okoronko and about Tidings, yes, Tidings. We're remembering him today. We lost him a couple of years ago, and he was one of the brightest prospects from around here. And I see na Urobia na Nandukwa. And of course, we hope that, all of his legacies, are never forgotten. So I see, rest in peace to Tidings, forever in our hearts, one day. Rest well. And that's that for the entertainment show. I'm Kabu Somto. May I see you some other time.
My mama told me, we chili. Me no, we chili.